North Luzon Expressway ay flooded pero still passable. Sa area ng Marilao, Bulacan, along MacArthur Highway, flooded pa rin pero passable to all types of vehicle. Malakas ang naging pagbuhok Aurora Province. So ang Pangulong Arroyo, babalik siya actually ngayon dyan sa Maynila. So mula dito sa Clark, Pampanga, itong Radyo Patrol, Ruby Tayag, ABS-CBN News, DCMS.
Maraming salamat, Ruby.
Magandang hapon po, Senator. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Hello.
Yes, GM?
Yes.
Kamusta na ho ang ating mga... Sa runway ho, nag-i-inspection daw ho kayo ngayon.
Katatapos lang ng inspection namin ng run for safety reason po. Sinara natin ito dahil nga po sa lakas ng hangin at ulan.
GM, how about yung mga nag-cancel na flight?
Yung po mga walang iba po, una yung mga malalapit na...
Come in. Okay, Roddy's on.
Look at that. Let's go check it out. This is part of Madrigal heading towards the entrance.
Pero matitiyang siwang pinsala ng bagyong Milenyo sa kalikasan, lalo na sa mga malaking puno, hindi lamang sinapak ng pagkakapit ng mga ugat sa lupa sa mahabang panahon. Bagamat po pa ng malakas na hangin at pagulan, matindi at nagangalit pa rin hanggang sa ngayon ang malakas na alon sa seawall ng Manila Bay na halos kumalpas dito sa nasangan ng Rojas Boulevard. Una kikilig ngayon ang Rescue Team at Engineering Department ng pamahalaang lungsod ng Maynila at maging ng Metro Manila Development Authority. Kailangang malinis agad ang kahaba ng Rojas Boulevard mula sa tapat ng Rojas Sulaiman hanggang
Oh my gosh, look at this huge tree. Completely uprooted.
It's like we're in the province, you know?
Yeah.
In a barrio somewhere. All the branches are everywhere, the trees, all poor acacia trees.
I feel so bad for it, you know?
Yeah, look at that.
I mean, these are ancient trees, you know, of Ayala Laban. Look at the detours that we have to do on this huge 6-lane road, which became 2 lanes.
The widest road in Ayala Laban is Madrigal, and now it became a 2-way road.
Be a sure winner with an expensive
2-lane road.
sachet. All contain millions of prizes like 500 pesos, a new Honda Jazz, 500,000 pesos, a private concert by
my
Kitty and
God.
Barbie, plus
Oh my
discounts from
gosh.
Jollibee, Cinderella, National Bookstore, Dunkin'
Look at
Donuts,
that.
Camera World,
There
and
are
David
wires
Salon.
on
See
the
posters for
floor.
details for
Yeah,
DOHP
we
permit
have
number
it
0373 series of 2006.
Time.
Time for a little dose of
The
culture.
ground is
Here's
literally-
Sir
And
Jackson,
this is where we
Gail
normally
Diaz, and a
turn
few
left to go
lines
to
from
San
Shakespeare's
Juanico.
Romeo
Yeah, we couldn't.
and Juliet.
And we couldn't pass because the tree fell and it's still blocked up to now.
Yep.
So I gotta back off.
Answer this question. Saan parte ng katawan makikita ang parisok na balat na matatagpuan sa asong St. Bernard ng pamangkin ng kumare ng byuda na nakatira sa may New York, Cubao?
This is
Ang hirap
history
naman.
since I'm
Buto pa ang
recording
Sunsilk's
this.
Great Hair Days promo, siguradong panalo.
Wow.
Just look inside any Sunsilk sachet for great surprises like 500 pesos.
Ano sa naman?
I've ever seen.
Come on, it's obvious.
Mag Sunsilk's Great Hair Days promo na lang.
I mean, have you ever seen Ayala
Be
Laban
a
like
sure
this
winner with an
before?
Sunsilk
Nope.
sachet.
It's
All
my first
contain
time
millions of
seeing like
prizes
this.
like 500
Yeah,
pesos,
we've
a new
been
Honda
here for
Jazz,
like
500,000
11 years,
pesos,
and
a private concert by
it's never
Kitty and
been
Barbie,
Oh
plus
my
discounts
God,
from
look
Jollibee,
at this,
Cinderella,
at the
National
end of
Bookstore,
Madrigal.
Dunkin' Donuts, Camera World,
The
and David
corner
Salon.
of
See posters for
Country
details
Club
for
Drive, I
DOHP
think.
permit number
Yeah, Country Club
0373 series of
And look at that,
2006.
there's a
Ang
big
programa
acacia
nito,
tree
hatid sa inyo
down.
ng new
Oh,
concept
it's a
with enough
huge
calcium
tree.
nutrients as ang
And what
Sunsilk's
a
Great
big
Hair Days
detour.
promo.
Yeah, look at this.
Okay,
Actually,
tuloy-tuloy
in the
pa rin po
center of the
tayo
road.
at
Look at that.
ang papayag sa atin
Wow.
si Kuya Angelo Palmones. Senator, maraming salamat sa iyo. Hanggang bukas.
Maraming salamat
Became
sa
a
iyo,
one-way
Craig.
road.
Paalala lang ho sa mga emergency crews, ano ho, kasi dito sa mga punong natutumba. Hindi ho ninyo mabubuhat yan eh. Kaya magdala kayo ng mga chainsaw para malagarin ninyo yung mga sanga at maitabi ninyo itong mga
And
malalaking
now
piraso
we're
nitong
going to
puno.
turn left
Kaya
to
magandang
Country
hapon
Club.
po sa inyo lahat.
Yep, turning left to
Mag-ingat
Country
po
Club.
kayo, huwag na kayong magpasyal ngayon. Doon na lang kayo sa loob ng bahay.
House.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Oras sa buong kapuluan, ganap na
Look at that.
3 minuto makalipas ang alas 3 ng hapon. Oras, hatid sa inyo ng The Pyramid Dietend.
Branch off the road. More
Sa loob ng
branches.
ilang sandali, pagsapit ng ikatlo ng hapon, inaanyayahan namin kayong makiisa sa 1 minutong panalangin para sa kapatawaran ng mga kasalanan, kapayapaan sa ating bansa at sa sanlibutan. Naway
We're gonna
maging
upload this in
bahagi ito
YouTube.
ng ating
Yes.
pang-araw-araw na kaugalian. Pumanaw ka, Jesus.
Should.
Subalit ang bukal ng buhay ay bumalaw
Okay, so we're
para
in
sa mga
Lanka already or on our way
kaluluwa,
home.
at ng karagatan ng
Let's
awa
see.
ay bumugso para sa sanlibutan. O bukal ng buhay, walang hanggang awa ng Diyos. Yakapin mo ang isang katauhan at ibuhos mo ng ganap ang iyong sarili.
So far,
para
so
sa
good.
amin.
But on the
O
other
banal
hand,
na dugo
I mean,
at tubig
at
na
the end of
dumaloy
this
mula
road,
sa puso ni
there's a
Jesus
tree blocking
bilang
also.
awa po kayo sa amin at sa buong sansinuko.
Trees.
Amen.
That fire
Banal
tree.
na
I love that
Diyos,
fire tree.
banal na puspos ng kapangyarihan,
Yeah, those are
banal
baby
na
fire
walang
trees.
hanggan, maawa po kayo sa amin at sa
Probably a
buong
couple years
sansinuko.
old only.
Amen. Banal na Diyos, banal na puspos ng
You
kapangyarihan.
see, that's it. That's the tree I was telling you. We can't go out from this side. This connects Alanka to Madrigal. Look at that. There's a big tree blocking
Fell on
the
a
road.
tree. It fell on a car.
On a truck.
Yeah.
Baby truck. Look at that. Look at that, man.
Oras sa buong kapuluan, 5 minuto na makalipas sa alas 3 ng hapon.
Okay.
Oras sa sa inyo ng Silver Swan.
Now entering the house.
Ang ng bagyong milenyo.